Jeffries is one of the best-known names in the horse world, renowned for quality and reliability. The company was founded in 1820 by Elijah Jeffries, whose guiding principle was that sensitive craftsmanship using the finest materials would create a lasting market for his products. This philosophy is still upheld. Modern offices, showroom, factory and warehouse facilities are still based in Walsall today. Years of tradition and excellence in the saddlery industry are the basis on which the design and manufacture of all that is best in saddlery and riding equipment. Without compromise, Jeffries design and develop new products, combining the latest materials and technology with traditional manufacturing skills and craftsmanship. Jeffries are committed to using only the finest quality leather from leading tanneries and curriers, like J&E Sedgwick, who still employ traditional methods using the highest quality raw hides. Combined with Jeffries craftsmanship, the finest saddlery and equestrian products are produced. The Jeffries factory comprises of three main production areas: bridle production, saddle making, and Brady sporting and leisure bags. First, we will visit Jeffries' bridle production. Jeffries' traditional range of bridle work is manufactured from carefully selected bridle leather butts. Jeffries and Falcon bridle leather is always a minimum of 3.75 mm for maximum strength and durability. The cutter uses a razor gauge to cut the butt into strips of the correct width and length. This does not stretch or damage the leather and gives consistency and accuracy. The leather is formulated to contain a high content of natural oils and fats, essential for tensile strength, safety, and comfortable riding equipment. The leather is cut to the exact size to fit the buckles perfectly. After the bridle cutter has completed cutting the leather strips, they're moved to the bridle maker, who begins to prepare the bridle. With a round knife, the craftsman starts the shaping of the leather, including pointing, cornering, and edging, for ease of use, comfort, and good cosmetic appearance. Holes are punched evenly on the underside of the leather to allow the buckle to be fastened easily. The edging of the straps are rounded for comfort and stained for good appearance, and shows the high quality of craftsmanship. The next step is veining. A tool is heated and vein lines burnished into the top surface. This gives a good cosmetic appearance and is designed to highlight the quality of the leather. The straps are now marked for stitching and shaved down in the areas to be turned back in preparation for sewing the buckles. Edges are sealed to protect the fibres of the leather from the effects of the weather and sweat. Turnbacks are knocked down in preparation for stitching. Loops and runners are prepared. The next process is hand stitching. The straps are held in traditional wooden clams, and the stitcher uses an awl to make a hole, and then sews the buckles and hook studs into the bridle. This is known as double hand stitching, and all stress points on Jeffries and Falcon bridle work are hand sewn this way for safety and strength in use. After stitching, the components are returned to the bridle maker for final finishing and assembly. Then onto factory inspection. Jeffries bridles are supplied in a wide range of sizes and width to allow flexibility and choice of fit. A Jeffries bridle represents a sound investment for a horse's comfort and safety, providing long-lasting service over many years. Now we will visit Jeffries saddle production. The beauty of a Jeffries saddle is not just skin deep. It's what lies beneath the surface that makes a Jeffries saddle so special. When it comes to tree design and manufacture, for most of Jeffries and Falcon saddles, in-house manufacturing provides control over design, availability, and consistency of fit. A full range of width fittings and seat sizes are produced to accommodate a wide variety of horses and riders. Trees are made using 6 layers of marine plywood for strength and durability, to a design that is renowned for its excellent fit. The high specification of manufacture prevents any distortion, even in continuous use, while remaining flexible for rider comfort. Every saddle is started and completed by one saddle maker to ensure consistent craftsmanship throughout. The quality and selection of leather is paramount to ensure that all component parts of the saddle are made to the same exacting standards. Jeffries use a combination of press knives and hand cutting to produce the components. About 50% of a Jeffries saddle is cut out by press knife and 50% by hand. The tree is strained with webbing to prevent the saddle seat from sinking. This helps shape the seat and supports the weight of the rider. The shape of the seat is determined by the maximum density foam lining, which is rasped by hand into the correct shape and depth to create the optimum balance for the rider. Blocking involves the stretching of leather over the seat. It is essential that all excessive stretch is removed from the leather to ensure durability and comfort. Jeffries manufacture a wide range of saddles for most equestrian disciplines. These are available under the Jeffries and Falcon brands. All are handmade to exacting standards. Girth straps made from extremely strong rawhide are hand-stitched to a virtually unbreakable nylon webbing to ensure rider security and safety. The panel keeps the tree off the horse's back. The panel is flocked and contributes to the stability of the saddle. It is essential that panels are flocked evenly to avoid any pressure points that may cause discomfort or even sores on the animal's back. Jeffries only uses pure wool to flock the panels of their saddles to ensure a high level of comfort for both horse and rider. All saddles are rigorously inspected before they leave the factory to ensure they meet the high standards and correct specification for that particular model. They are stamped with an individual serial number for quality control and traceability. We will now take a brief look at Brady bag production. Jeffries own the world-famous Brady brand, which is renowned for excellence in design and quality of material. They're designed to be functional and are handmade to ensure reliability in performance and durability in use. Jeffries distribute and wholesale a wide range of equestrian products, including whips, brushes, and a full range of Eldonian bits, stirrups, and spurs. For the preservation and maintenance of leather, Jeffries recommends their own natural leather care, which is available from all good saddlery retail outlets. Jeffries package and label all products in-house, which enables a final inspection before being put into stock. With the vast majority of product lines available from stock, Jeffries claims its product range is very comprehensive. Jeffries has maintained an excellent reputation for service. Customer care staff, most of whom have over 20 years' experience with Jeffries products, can quickly advise on product options and availability. Jeffries export to America, Canada and Japan, amongst other countries. With a philosophy that has stood the test of time and products which are built to last, when it comes to handcrafted excellence, Jeffries creates the tradition of the future.